Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 11 of our SST book, that is India, the land of festivals. So in this chapter we will study about national festivals, religious festivals and the harvest festivals. So let's begin the chapter. So here is Magic who is asking the cracker and the Santa Claus. Are you going for some fancy dress parade again? Yes, you guessed it right. We have a dress parade in our school today. And the theme is festivals. So students, here is Magic who is asking the cracker and the Santa Claus, are they going for some fancy dress competition? So here is some exercise. Let's do what it is. Here are some picture clues. Match them to the names of the festivals. So here we can see some picture clues and we have to match them according to their celebrations, festivals. Like the first is Independence Day. So on Independence Day is on 15th August and on that day we hoist the flag on the Red Fort. So here is a picture of Red Fort. Then there is Children's Day, and Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So we can match it with the photo with the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And there is a Diwali. So on Diwali we used to burn the crackers and light the candles and the diyas. And here is a picture for Christmas where we can see a Santa Claus. Okay students? So a festival is a special day that we celebrate with our families and friends. Festivals are marked by celebration, decoration, prayers, rituals, and plenty of enthusiasm. We celebrate national, religious, harvest festivals in our country. So students, in our country, we used to celebrate a lot of festivals, whether it is national, whether it is religious, or whether it is harvesting festivals. So first we will begin with the national festivals. National festivals. Festivals which are celebrated across the country are known as national festivals. These festivals holds a national significance and binds all Indians. Let us learn about some of them. So students, here are some of the national festivals which are celebrated across the India, and these festivals are bound for all the citizens of India. Okay students, so let's begin with the first one, that is Independence Day. Independence Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August as India got freedom from British rule due on this date of the year 1947. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. So students, Independence Day is celebrated in the memory of our great freedom fighters who gained independence from the British rule. Every year on the occasion of Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at Red Fort on 15th of August. So the next one is Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into effect on January 26, 1950, after India became independent. This day is celebrated as Republic Day as India became a republic on this day. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi on this day. The President of India takes the salute and hoists the national flag. So students, Republic Day is more than just a national holiday. Our Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. The Constitution was adopted by the India and was declared as Purna Swaraj. Okay students, so now here is another one, that is Gandhi Jayanti. The birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on October 2nd as Gandhi Jayanti. Prayers and flowers are offered at his Samadhi at Rajghat on this day. He is known as the father of the nation. Gandhi Jayanti is also observed as International Day of Non-Violence. So students, on 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. This day we celebrate as International Non-Violence Day, which has been adopted by the United Nations. So students, I hope you have understood these festivals which we celebrate as national festival of our country. So this is how we have come to the end of this part 1 of this chapter. In the another videos, we will discuss the further topics of this chapter. So thank you class. Have a nice day.